Okay, so first things first. Oh wait, I don't have my microphone. Again. Try that again. Take 2. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Joe What Else YouTube channel. And today's comment of the day is gonna be right here. I appreciate you, thank you. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already for your chance to be featured in the next comment of the day. Today, I'm super excited because not only is this surprise actually here early by a day, it's actually 2 weeks in a day, because originally it said it was gonna take a month to get here. Then it was actually supposed to be here tomorrow, and it just randomly showed up today, which was super exciting. So here's the surprise I've been talking about that's gonna make a huge difference for all these upcoming videos on the channel, and maybe the one for today. Excited, I don't know, I'm super excited. This is gonna be really cool, so let's just get right into it. All right, now before I get my chest mount, here it is, ladies and gentlemen. It looks like nothing much because it's a green thing inside of a gray bag, but this is the Pelican Catch, I think it's mode 110. I'm actually super excited. It's gonna be great for going out fishing, kayaking, out in the water, and yeah, it even has a standing platform so we can stand on it. And let's get the box out. I gotta get my chest mount on so I can actually do this and get it all put together. Let's see how it is, I'm excited. Okay, so first things first. Let's go over the random stuff that I got that came with it. Okay, so I got a nice kayaking life jacket because we're gonna be safe out here in the water because I really wanna do some actual exploring in these rivers and these ponds, and it's always good to be safe and have a life jacket with you, and I'm pretty sure it's actually required by law. Next thing, to make sure we do total distance traveled and really get to some cool stuff. I got this little cart so I can actually strap it down onto it and wheel it around and make my life easy to go the long distance. So if I only have parking for so long, I can just strap to this thing and then walk it all the way down, or, you know. Then I decided to get this because mine were pretty bad and I wanted better ones. So we just got some nice Pelican ones. The cool thing about it is it actually comes with a hook. So when I'm out fishing, I can just yoink that line in. It's being a little extra, but I'm okay with that. The life jacket's actually gonna be pretty big, if I do say so myself, because so this thing's actually gonna make it easy so I can sit down and then not, you know, pop up and be super uncomfortable. And it also is a lot more airy, so wearing it while fishing, kayaking, doing strenuous activity, I mean fishing not so much, but the kayaking and paddling, I'll make it so I don't sweat and, you know, get way too hot. All right, next part. It's actually supposed to thunderstorm today because I really would take this out. But like I said, again, I wasn't even planning for it to come till tomorrow, but it's likely that it could thunderstorm in a couple hours, so we're not going to, in case you can't tell that there is not a single shred of blue up there. Back to the cool stuff. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about right there. The only problem with this, right, is that they have this, you can actually put a trolling motor on it, but there's no certificate of origin, I believe is what you would need for it, especially in Massachusetts. Anything that has a motor on it has to be registered as a boat. So you would need a certificate of origin, title, you know, something like that, in order to be able to prove you bought it. And this does not come with one of those, sadly. So not able to put a motor on it. I don't really care because I'm buying this to be more active. I'm not buying it to use a trolling motor to be lazy. I'm buying it intentionally to have to work out more. It's part of this whole going outside thing. So this would be pretty nice on windy days. Be able to just put this down. It acts kind of like a rudder. And it helps keep you stabilized when it's being windy outside. Now how does this go in? Oh, here's a picture. Oh, it's string on either side. Aha. So you just smash it in here, basically? Yeah. Okay. And the string in there. That's it? Really? Okay. Well, that seems pretty... Yeah, I don't... Yeah, it's probably fine. I'm missing something, right? I mean, I feel like they probably could design this much better, but hey, what do I know? I only went to college for engineering. Ow! I swear, horseflies always attack you whenever your hands are full. All right. Horsefly, go away. Little ankle biter. Aha. Oh yeah. Oh, that's more like it. Nice little standing platform. Got the lounge seat all set up. Nice, dude. Nice. If you don't know, these little holes right here, these are good for if you get water that actually splashes into your kayak, because this is an open kayak. You just little boop, and drains out. That's why everything you'll see drain into these little spots. It's pretty cool, honestly. I mean, I might as well just leave them in there so I don't lose them. Probably shouldn't, because I have this flipped over on top of my car. Don't really want them vibrating out when I'm driving down the road and then never find them again, because I have a feeling these wouldn't be something easy to replace. So, note to self, keep these in. I'm going to kill that thing. I'm going to kill that fly. It's just one that's annoying me this whole time. Okay, so I'm going to keep these in a safe place in the trunk of my car. If I were you, and you get one of these, store this somewhere safe. Don't leave them in there when you transport the kayak, because you may never find them again. That is my safe place. Oh, that's a crisp standing deck right there. Man, why do they gotta do stickers? Stickers always make it hard to keep these things looking sweet right away. Oh, that's actually... Oh, there's... Okay, maybe Pelican's different. Maybe they're good with their stickers. First thing ever that just came off ridiculously easy. That, I don't even know how to say it. Aha! I found the hard sticker. And it's got to be the one that would be Envision. Oh, wait a minute. Spoke too soon? All right. We take those. Would this be a way to strap down your seat, maybe? Yeah, it looks like it. It's a toe strap, but for your seat. Nice. Man, this thing is sweet. All right, let's get a first little bit of seating in there. Hold on. Nothing like a nice, relaxing fishing, you know what I mean? See, this is why I want shoes, because it's not so easy to adjust these paddles, because you should be able to just do like these, but it's never that easy, is it? So if you don't know, you want to make it so when you're sitting, you got a little extra bendy in the knees, you know? A little extra oomph. No, we should be good. It's gonna be nice. The only thing would have been really cool is if, to like maximize making it easier when you get up, if there was like some kind of rope from the front, because getting up on the water is never easy. The other cool thing, the way this kayak is designed, you can sit up high and then casting. This thing's huge. And I have a feeling again the water is gonna be really stable. The other cool thing is too, you got these little rails right here for if you want to put on like side sonar or something like that, you know, to be able to like a fish finder basically. Shouldn't say basically, it's exactly what it is. One thing you could do. You got your fishing rod holder here, two back here. I watched another video where a guy talked about it's dumb to have one right here, but it's really not, because it's very convenient to be right there actually, for many of different reasons. Especially if you want to like troll. Say you want to just be paddling, you just leave a line trolling while you're paddling. I mean, it might kind of get in the way, but it's a lot easier just than if you have one back here and you don't even notice it's bouncing around when you're going to a new spot, and next thing you know, you turn around and your rod's gone. I mean, that'd be really unlucky if it somehow pulled it out, but I mean, you could miss a fish easily. I'm gonna kill this fly, dude. But yeah, you can miss a fish easily if it's not over here, so I mean, I'm personally okay with it. Man, I can't wait. Then you got these Skeg holes. Convenient. Skeg holes are things for the water. I believe it's Skeg. Pretty sure I'm right. Oh, I'm excited. I really wish I could take this out today. I'm kind of sad I can't. But I'm gonna get it all set up, get on top of the car, get it all ready to go out tomorrow. So quick overall first thoughts is this thing is awesome. I can't wait to get out on it. It's kind of like a mini boat for a kayak, and it should be really solid for fishing. It's not gonna be the fastest kayak in the world, but for me, it's a massive upgrade, and I don't even care that it's not fast. I'm not looking for a kayak that's fast. I'm looking for a kayak that's good for fishing, and I'd say we got a pretty solid middle budget kayak here. Personally, I find it kind of crazy how much you can spend on a kayak and still be in the middle tier. People spend a lot of money on kayaks. I'm taking constant breaks because cars keep going by and it makes it really hard to talk. But yeah, people spend a lot of money on kayaks. I'll just get a boat. But this one's gonna be really fun because I don't have a way to tow a boat at my car. So it's gonna be a good little middle ground where I can still go fishing, I can bounce, I can get up, I can use it for all these things. I can get to all these cool places I really want to like unlock and show to you guys. So we just got some pretty big potential here. I already got a couple good plans. I think I'm gonna go back to that pond in Yarmouth, which I don't know the order of the videos they're gonna go out. We'll decide, but originally it was gonna be the pond in Yarmouth, then it was gonna be this. Now this is early, so we'll see. I'm really excited about this. So we're probably gonna go to the pond in Yarmouth, but I know I'm gonna do a lot of exploring with this thing and I can't wait. So let's get it up in the car and get it ready to go out tomorrow. There's one thing I forgot to quickly mention. Also, on either side of these, there's actually ways to put this down. You can use it as a little fishing rod holder. That's a pretty big deal though when you're doing it. You can just string it up on the side right there. That was a pretty big trade for me to get there. So that's cool. Plus all these too. I'm not exactly sure what you're strapping in with those, but I'm sure I'll figure it out pretty quickly. Listen, I'm a kayak noob here, okay? This is my first fishing kayak. Pretty much the first kayak I'll ever actually be able to go fishing in because I haven't made any videos about my old one because it did not really go too well the one time that I tried, and that's why I ended up with this because it is miserable trying to fish out of the one that I had. I'm now gonna go take thumbnails and then finish doing the time lapse to get it on my car. Okay, now we're good to go. I'm just kidding, we gotta put straps on. Never it is. Don't ever do bungee cords, always strap it down. Okay, so kayak's on and we are ready to go take this thing for its first time out in the water and I can't wait. Hopefully we'll be able to catch some fish this time so I can make a video that actually has me catching fish in it. Been a good year, been a great year. Yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. Didn't even buy the toe straps to match on purpose, I swear. I'm just realizing this right now. Okay, so first thoughts on it coming out the box. I can't wait. This thing looks super good. It looks even better on top of my car. And I can't wait to get out on it. It looks like it's gonna be a lot of fun, a lot easier to fish on than anything I've used yet besides my boat. And yeah, I can't wait to get out there and get on it. So I'm super excited. It was just about as good as I thought it was gonna be, nothing more, nothing less. I mean, it came in good shape and that's what I was most worried about. And I'm just excited to get out on it and get going. Also, I want to throw in there that it's really good that I actually got this from Amazon. And like I said before, it said it was going to take about a month to ship. It only took 2 weeks. It told me almost instantly right after buying it, it was only going to take 2 weeks. And then it actually came a day early. So even better. It came in like a week and a half, which is just great. So big plus there. And so far, the way that it looks, besides going out on it, I would highly recommend it. I mean, I think I already know that I'm gonna love it even more when I'm out on the water because I have a feeling it looks like it's pretty as stable as if you're on your own little boat, so I can't wait. But highly recommend it. Let's see, yeah, I'll probably put a little bit of the fishing in here. I might separate out the videos, but first thoughts without even going out on the water yet, yeah, I'm excited. So with that, if you want to see the video of me out on the water, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss it. Make sure you like and comment anything like that down below, and so you could get your chance to be featured in the next comment shouted in. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one, out on the water. A quick check for the toe. Really?